Hello and welcome creative friends. Today we are diving into the beautiful world of jute burlap and handmade decorations crafts benefits. We talk about that these natural and rustic material are not only eco-friendly but also brings timeless charm to your home, whether you are making wall hanging, wreaths, table decor or ornaments. Jute and burlap give a touch of elegance that no store-bought decor match. And the best part, crafting with these materials is relaxing, budget friendly, rustic look and helps reduce waste. It helps that. Let's start with jute. Jute is a strong golden fiber, natural fiber that has been used for centuries. When we use jute ropes, twines or fabric in craft, we create times that are rustic yet stylish. Imagine wrapping glass jars with jute for candle holders or weaving jute into coasters, mats or baskets. Even a simple jute wall hanging or dream catcher can instantly give your room a cozy handmade feel. So let's talk about something natural look and crafting ideas and benefits. Jute is also durable, biodegradable and sustainable, making it a wonderful choice for eco-friendly living. Every time you craft with jute, you are not just creating beauty, you are also supporting a healthier planet. Next, let's talk about burlap, also called bullet fabric. Burlap is a rough yet versatile fabric made from jute fibers. It's often used in farmhouse style decor. You can make burlap wreath, table runners, cushions, covers, bows, and even X-Mex ornaments. One beautiful idea is to combine burlap with lace or ribbons for a soft rustic chic look. Burlap flowers and bows can be added to gift wrapping, making every present feel extra special. The texture of burlap gives warmth to any craft and it blends so well with natural elements like pine cone, dried oranges, or wooden beads. Jute and burlap are perfect for home decorations projects. A few ideas includes with Cork jute and rustic look, jute wrapped bottles and vases, burlap table runner for festive dinners, jute rope basket for storage, burlap and jute wall decor for a rustic farmhouse vibe. Source for farmhouse vibes. DIY wreath combining corks, jute, and greenery for the holidays. These crafts are simple, affordable, and can be personalized to match any theme. Handmade decor makes your home feel warm and inviting because it carries your creativity and love within every piece. Now let's talk about the benefits of crafting. Crafting is not just about making pretty things, it's about well-being and mindfulness. When you sit down with jute ropes, glue, and a few decoration, your mind slows down. Crafting reduces stress, improves focuses, and it sparks creativity. It improves like meditation. You forget your worries and enjoy the moment. Crafting also boosts confidence. When you complete a beautiful piece, you feel proud and motivated. Plus, handmade crafts can even turn into small business opportunities, selling on Etsy, local markets, or social media platforms. And don't forget, crafting is a wonderful way to bond with family and kids. Working together on DIY projects builds memories that last a lifetime. So whether it's jute, wall hanging, burlap, wreath, or recycle home decor, crafting with natural materials is a journey full of beauty and benefits. Every knot, every wave, and every bow you make is not just decoration, it's a piece of your heart, your time, and your creativity. Thank you for joining me today in exploring the world of jute, burlap, and crafting benefits. Don't forget to bring out your glue gun, gather some jute and bullet fabric, and let your imagination flow. Until next time, keep creating, keep recycling, and keep spreading handmade love.
कल उसकी बर्थडे है स्टार्ट
Hope you're enjoying these designs and ideas. We want to describe many types of things. Thank you for watching. Let's expand the ending. So, as we wrap up, remember this crafting is not only about making decorations, about making moments. Every time you pick up a piece of jute or a strip of burlap, you are not just holding materials, you are holding an opportunity to relax, to create, and to add beauty to your surroundings. And what makes these crafts even more special is their connection with nature. Jute and burlap come from the earth, and when we reuse or recycle them, we give them a new story. Instead of buying plastic decor from the market, you are choosing something sustainable, something handmade, and something that carries your personal touch. Another beautiful benefit is that these crafts can be shared as gifts. A hand-woven jute basket, a homemade burlap wreath, or decorate bottle isn't just a decoration. It's a thoughtful gift filled with love. Handmade presents are always remembered because they come straight from the heart. Thank you for joining me today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Until we meet again, stay creative, stay positive.